and then website will be direct to grooming page, and then user have to click reservation now. There is just a lot of
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Information System Department from Benedict University, and today I'm excited to present our thesis project of redesign website HalloPets using design making method. Before we dive into the details, I would like to introduce our team. The first one is Rian Leandros, Amalia Ayu Ardian, and Raden Roro, Astria, Aurellia, Cahyarini. From the discussion point that we're going to present, there's a 5 point on the table of the content. The first one is introduction, 2 methodology, 3 discussion and result, 4 conclusion, and 5 references. The first one is introduction. Pet shop businesses are spreading in Indonesia, but not all have a website. One of the pet shop that use the website is HalloPets. HalloPets is a business that has a various services such as pet shop, grooming, pets hotel, and pets photo. Currently, the HelloPet website display product, contacts, and information related to HelloPet services. The HelloPet website needs to develop the feature of the service, especially the service functionally because customer cannot use it. On the HelloPet website interface, there are layout, colors, and icons that are unsuitable and development are required for more comfortable to use. From the problem of limited information on service feature and poor interface, there is a plan to develop the interface on the HelloPet website based on the feedback from both the customer, shop head, and owner. The design thinking method was used in the research. This will attract customers to HelloPet to purchase the product and service supply, create a unique differentiation from competitor, and enhance sales and service. Number 2 is methodology. In this thesis, we use design thinking method. The method in developing this website consisting of 5 within it. The first process is empathize. It seeks an understanding of user behavior, feelings, experience, and also the problem. The second process is define, is to aim to see the problems to be solved. The third process is ideate, is to respond the problems that have been received by paying attention to assumption and creating innovation ideas. For the fourth process is prototype, refers to the process of developing the pet shop website prototype using pre-established solution idea. And the last process is testing, that is a final stage. The design has been met and to the final result of user needs. For the testing will be done with system usability scale or SOS. In this SOS calculation, after collecting the data from respondent, the data will be analyzed. There are several rules for scoring the questionnaires. For each odd number statement, the score obtained will be reduced by 1 point. For each even number statement, the score obtained will be reduced by 1 of 5 points. The SOS score result are obtained by adding up each respondent answers, then multiplying the sum by 2.5. For the calculation, add up all the score and divide it by the total number of respondents to get the average result. The formula for calculating the average of the SOS score is X equal sigma X per N. From the right picture, we have system usability grade scale. We have 3 categories. The first one is accessibility range that have 3 levels. It's not acceptable, marginal low, and marginal high, and acceptable. The second one is grade scale. There's a 5 level, F, D, C, B, A. Meanwhile, the last one is adjective rating, worst imaginable, poor, okay, good, excellent, and best imaginable. Okay, number 3 is discussion and result. In this empathized result, we use interview and distributing the questionnaires. For interview, we are conducted with 2 shop heads. The purpose of this stage is to test the findings that have been met from distributing questionnaires. Number 2 is questionnaire with 40 respondents consisting to loyal customer who use the HelloPet website using SOS analysis. And the answer scale used in the distributing this questionnaire uses a Likert scale. From the demographic data, we have age. There were 82.5% or 33 respondents aged less than 25 years old who use the HelloPet website. And for the gender, there are 65% or 26 female respondents who are user of the website HelloPets. Number 3 is location. There were 27.5% or 11 respondents who came from Depok and other respondents who came from around HelloPets branches such as Margonda and Kelapa Dua. Number 4, we have access the HelloPet website. There were 80% or 32 respondents, and there's 20% or 8 respondents who access the HelloPet website to 7 times per month. Summarize of the empathy result for interview, the appearance of the HalloPet website is less contemporary, flat, confusing, and not eye-catching. Ordering product and service reservation are still done manually via WhatsApp or Tokopedia. Reservation cannot be made and log information. There is no review feature after product purchase. Service feature are difficult to understand. There is no service schedule information and cannot reserve HalloPet website. For the questionnaires, the result from the calculation of the preference system is total amount 848. Total score is amount times 2.5 is 2,200. Average score or the final result is 53. Acceptability marginal low. Grade scale F and adjective rating is okay.
This is the final result. In the final result, there is pain point and how might we. Pain point is show the problems and frustration felt by user. How might we is show the solution and exploration of user needs. This is ideal result. There is many creative ideas and innovative solution as possible to solve the problems. There is user flow register and login. From the homepage, user have to click profile and then there's two option. So option is selection register and select login. If select register, website will be direct to form register, and then or if select login, website will be direct to form login. There is a user flow of product from the homepage. User have to click product page and then click cart. Product have to add to cart and then click cart icon. Have website have to direct to cart page, and the cart page user have to click checkout for the forecast steps. There is user flow of grooming reservation from the homepage. User have to click service and then select grooming, and then website will be direct to grooming page. And then user have to click reservation now. There is user flow of pets hotel reservation from the homepage. User have to click service and then click pets hotel, and then a website will be direct to pets hotel page, and then have to click reservation now. There is user flow of pets photo reservation from the homepage. A user have to click service and then select pets photo, and then website will be direct to pets photo page, and then have to click reservation now. Website will be direct to WhatsApp HalloPets page. There is a prototype result. At the prototype stage, the final design approach of the HalloPet website redesign is great. There is a register page. In the register page, have a difference in red mark and the header and the illustration, and then fill full name, email, password, confirmation password, phone number, and the button register and cancel. There is a login page. In the login page, difference in red mark and header and illustration and the button cancel. There is prototype product page. In the product page, have difference in header, search for product, and category all cat or dog, and then sorting and the product by category and the brand category, and then rating in the product, and icon card and the sold product. There is the grooming page in difference in header, and then there is pets hotel page. There is a difference in red mark in header, and then there is pets photo page, difference in red mark in header and the button reservation now. There is testing result. In the testing result, purpose system score is 72, and then accessibility marginal high, grade scale is C, active rating is good. There is 4 is conclusion, and the conclusion based on the result of research can be concluded is in the result of data collection at the empathy stage using interface and also distributed questionnaire, which were attended by 40 respondents. Result by obtained with a grade F rating scale falling into the marginal low category. Then after the analysis was carried out up to the redesign stage, testing is carried out again by distributing questionnaire with the same number of respondents, and the result obtained were that the accept arranged indicator is the marginal high category. Then grade scale rating was C, and the executive assessment was in the good category. This result have increased compared to the purpose evaluation. The result of the website redesign can be used as recommendation in developing the approach of the HalloPet website in the future. From the research that has been carried out, there are several development recommendations to the dashboard page, register and login page, product and product purchase page, grooming service page, pet hotel service page, and pet photo service page. It is hoped that it can be implemented with program code on the HalloPet website and can be help user use the HalloPet website. 5 is reference. There is 14 reference between 2019 and 2024. Thank you, everyone.